Hi, in today's video, I'll be giving you a quick tutorial of how you can navigate the Linux desktop just to help set up things for the Userful video wall and also how to access the Userful video wall via the Linux desktop. So to begin, you'll notice on the top right corner here, on the top left corner, that there's this massive panel, stretches all the way across. Applications is where you'll find all your individual applications. Places is where you'll find any relevant documents or folders or anything like that. System is where you'll find any sort of configuration tools or what have you. So typically speaking, most people just go to applications and then they go internet, and you can access all the web browsers and all your installed applications under here. Office is where you'll find any LibreOffice or Microsoft Office if you have that installed. Sound and video is where you'll find your Decklink Blackmagic capture card configuration tools, as well as VLC and Audacity should you choose to install those. And then finally, system tools will help bring you to the terminal if you need to do something a little more extreme. So the simplest way to access the Userful Control Center is to actually just click on the icon here. But if you want expanded functionality, we recommend that you go to your preferred web browser of choice. In this case, we have Chrome on the desktop. And then you're just going to want to type in localhost 9000. Click OK. Select the user that you want to log in as. In this case, we'll just select user. And then there you go. You've logged into the Userful Control Center. And now, should you wish to, you can now use the interactive viewer. That concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.